What is good, YouTube? We're back with another video today. Today we are going to be installing the MBRP street cat back exhaust. You know, before I had the axle back, it's been running me good, but it was an eBay exhaust, so it didn't fit entirely perfect. Like that side's a little higher and everything. But now we got the actual cat back. I sold this. A friend of mine sold this to me for a really good deal. He threw in something else too, but I can't even use that right now because my car is still warranty. We're gonna go ahead and install the cat back exhaust today. So first things first, as always, you gotta jack up the car, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off the stock my axle bags and the mid pipe. So now I'm gonna cut back to y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all a video clip of what that sounds like without the exhaust, and then what it sounds like with the exhaust after. The other thing I got dark is because I actually went to the Florida the past couple of days, but y'all don't give a fuck about that. So let's get straight into the install. All right, so I just took out the axle back and the mid pipe right there. So currently right now, it is just from the cat back. So I'll have Tim turn it on and see what it sounds like. Little revs. All right, so now let's go ahead, get that mid pipe, and you're gonna put it right there. I would film it, but it's so far in that you wouldn't be able to see anything. I'm only gonna film it when I get to the two pipe separators and then the actual back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those pipes on, and pretty much that's it. So yeah, you'll see me put the rest of these on. I'll cut to whenever I'm done with that. All right, so I'm currently under the car right now, and I got a piece from the cat back there. So now all you're gonna want to do, let's do it this way. There we go. Is grab this piece and put it on the outside, and make sure you have your clamps back here. You can slip right in, like right there, and then get the hanger and put it into, well, where the hanger is. Let me go ahead and just do that for y'all. All right, so after you put in this part of the mid pipe, make sure you put the actual part in first before you put on the hanger. Makes it a lot easier. And then go ahead and get a 15 millimeter. And then I just went ahead and grabbed a 1/2 inch 15 millimeter wrench, ratchet and just handing it by hand because the power tool is making it wobble too much, and it's too strong pretty much. All right, so I got both the exhaust laid out under the car. Let's go ahead and finish this install up. My bad, y'all. Couldn't even get y'all in frame, but here is what the passenger driver's side looks like. Very good, evenly spaced and everything. So now let's move on to the passenger side of the driver's side. Yep, that was the passenger side. Now all I gotta do is tighten down both of the exhaust clamps and then move on to adjust the exhaust tips. Make it look better. To be honest, right now, they both look really good. Yeah, the old ones. So let me go ahead and just tighten these down, and then yeah, show you the finished product. All right, that is the whole install today. How to pop these out, just saw the MBRP logo. MBRP right there. So yeah, let's go ahead, take the car down, got all that. This is the catalytic converter pipe. I'm say that for later. But clean up the whole mess. take the car down and let's see what it sounds like. I got Tim going in the car. Let's hear what it sounds like. Rev it! Yeah, that's pretty much the end of today's video. I'm gonna try to see if I can put on that front pipe right over there and then see if it makes it a little louder, because as of right now the car is a little quiet. It's quiet when it idles. How about that? It's quiet when it idles, but you can hear it like a lot more airflow. You guys can hear the turbo a lot more. It's also not the exhaust's fault. That's the street version. It's meant to be quiet. It's a front pipe makes it a little louder, but as of right now I don't hate it. I just wish it was a little louder. Otherwise you could hear the turbo. I get also, like, you can kind of tell there's like a lot more airflow because the catback looks a lot better. But car looks amazing. Not bad. Car looks amazing. Rubs, I mean not rubs, scrapes, because that's just how a lower car life is. Lower car life, that's all it is, bro. But yeah, make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, comment, hit those bell notifications so y'all get posted when I post a new video.